Meaning of flutist.
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 Flutist. A flutist is a musician who plays the flute, which is a musical instrument made of metal or wood. It is played by blowing air across a sharp edge and covering the holes along its length with the fingers. Flutists can play a variety of musical styles, including classical, jazz, and folk music. They often perform in orchestras, chamber ensembles, and as soloists, and may also teach others how to play the flute. Overall, a flutist is a skilled musician who specializes in playing the flute and creating beautiful music.